Hello students, I am Dr. Gayatri, Assistant Professor at Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. In our today's class, we will look at the basic survival needs of the body and different body systems that perform various activities in fulfilling these survival needs. So as we have seen in our previous class, body systems work interdependently. That means they are dependent on each other and they do not function independently. हर body system जो है वो दूसरे body system पे निर्भर है. So these body systems each our body has various survival needs. Survival need मतलब हमारे बॉडी को सर्वाइव करने के लिए कुछ फंक्शन जरूरी है. सो दीज कम अंडर सर्वाइवल नीड्स. सो डिफरेंट बॉडी सिस्टम्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन परफॉर्मिंग वेरियस फंक्शंस that are necessary for fulfilling these survival needs. So the first survival need is communication. Communication जो हमारा communication होता है basically क्या है? We are able to express our thoughts to others. That comes under communication. So communication basically external communication में क्या आता है? Verbal communication, that is our talking, our speech, and non-verbal communication, that is our expressions and our body language. So in the same way, even inside our body there are different communications that are necessary. Like for example, if there is an injury, so when an injury happens, there is a damage to the blood vessel. So communication has to happen so that signals will be sent and a blood clot can form in order to stop blood loss. So for clotting of blood, in order to prevent lot of blood from loss. So in similar way, in our body different communication systems are necessary. Like when there is pain signals have to be sent to the brain, so that brain can send signals to perform necessary functions in the healing process. So that all that comes under communication. So there are three things that come under communication. One is transport systems, internal communication and external communication. So transport systems में blood, circulatory system and lymphatic system, these are present, these come under transport system. Next आता है internal communication. Internal communication में nervous system and endocrine system. Next is external communication. As I told you, external communication involves verbal and non-verbal communication and special senses. Special senses is our sense organs, the function which is performed by our sense organs. Like eyes, we can see, ears to hear. So all that comes under external communication. Next is intake of raw materials and elimination of waste. हम जब intake of raw materials in our body to function, we take many things inside. जैसे हम लोग ब्रीथिंग के थ्रू ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं जो हमारे सर्वाइवल के लिए नेसेसरी है. हम फूड लेते हैं और जो ड्रिंक्स में वाटर लेते हैं और उसके साथ साथ अलग ड्रिंक्स लेते हैं जिससे हमारे बॉडी का जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, एनर्जी है, वो सब मिलता है. All that comes under the intake of raw materials. And once we intake these raw materials, what happens? उसमें जो हमारे बॉडी के लिए अच्छा है वो absorb होता है और जो waste products है वो eliminate हो जाते हैं. That comes under intake of raw materials and elimination of waste. This is the next survival need of our body. So this includes intake of oxygen and ingestion of nutrients. This can be through food, water, and then elimination of waste. जो waste products form होते हैं उसका elimination वो कैसे होता है? As carbon dioxide when we exhale, and then urine and feces. The next survival need is protection and survival. This includes protection against external environment. So जो external environment जो atmosphere में environment में harmful substances है उनसे protection हमें क्या देता है? That is skin. Skin protects us from the external environment. Next is प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट माइक्रोबियल इन्फेक्शंस, जो माइक्रोब से जो इन्फेक्शन होता है हमारे बॉडी को, उससे प्रोटेक्शन हमें क्या देता है, रेसिस्टेंस एंड आर इम्यूनिटी. इम्यून सिस्टम वर्क्स इन प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट माइक्रोबियल इन्फेक्शन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज बॉडी मूवमेंट्स. हमारे बॉडी मूवमेंट्स के लिए हमें क्या हेल्प करता है, हमारे बोन्स है, जॉइंट्स है, ऑल दीज हेल्प इन body movements which is necessary. It is a survival need of our body. Next is survival of the species. जो हमारे human species है वो आगे बढ़ने के लिए और for any species to increase in number and for survival of the species what is necessary? Reproduction and transmission of inherited characteristics. This happens through genes. So these are the three survival needs of our body.